Hey everyone, just a quick update on my Unreal journey. So I started with learning Unreal Engine 4 just a week ago, 1.5 weeks ago, and um, my main aim was to start building a game and complete it so that I can, learn the whole procedure of what all goes into it, like the Photoshop assets and building the start menu, and when the player clicks on start, everything starts and then game gets over after a certain period of time. So I wanted to experience all that, because like you will find a lot of tutorials over YouTube which will teach you how to do this sort of level design or create such player mechanism. But the case was, no one takes it from the start, like what a complete game looks like. So in order to make it playable, you need to put all those extra things as well, not extra but primary things as well, which is the start menu, the escape button, or when game gets over, and the hunger system and stuff like that. So I wanted to know all that, and after about a week I am able to create a game with that. Although the tutorial which I followed had a lot of extra things as well, but I just cutted them all down and went to the complete core things, that is to design it from like start to end, and I'll just show you the example. So I'll be updating you about the rest of the things other than game design in the next episodes, but this one is completely focused on the first game I built. So I won't be publishing it because of some storage issues. I won't be exporting it, but I just want to show the example, and then once I end up with this video, I can actually start with my first title. Now I'm just announcing it in public, but I shouldn't. So I'll be starting with that game, and I'll be properly designing everything in order to make it a little more engaging. So I'm still not clear about the concept of that game, but let's see how this one looks. So let me go into the test. Yeah, I hope you can see it. So now as you can see, there's a screen. Now you can exit or start game. Exit doesn't do much, it just closes the game. So start game, and this is the night look of our game. And this is a platform where player starts, and when you just go down, so on the side, as you can see on the top right, you can see there's a section called objectives, and under that you can see you won this jungle. Actually I have set it up save game for this game, and I like this just saves the game every time I win the game. So I have already won it, so the objective is gonna be there. But if you play my game on a different machine, you will find that it will be written just get going. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, I can walk on the path, and as it was night look, I just wanted to put in a torch in the player's hand. So yeah, according to the torch we can see the things around us, and this is the thing. So this is a shelter which the player has to come on. So on the top left you can see there's a hunger and stamina bar. So the hunger bar basically gets over as you start playing the game. So it's about to get over, so I'll just pick up this food item, and I'm not able to pick it up. Okay, picked up. So as you can see, the food item has been vanished, and now I can just enter this. So as I entered this, the objective has been changed, because here's a trigger on this gate. A trigger is there which just says that now the objective should change to go back to lake and choose the other way to reach castle. So the objective is of this game is to reach the castle, right? So now I am back on the lake as described by the game, and there's a little thing I want to show here, and that is when I jump, I can see my hands, because this is how I have actually I used the third person template by Unreal Engine, but I then converted it to first person and took care of these little things where this kind of animation is there. So I took the other way, and let's see where we can go with it. So slowly I'm just walking on the path, and if I enter the jungle, you can see here's a lot of grass. So Okay, so we are dead. So we forgot to pick up uh, more food boxes, and we would have done that. So let me just start the game again. Start game, and this time I'm not going to go on the shelter and just continue to the castle way. So I have to be a little fast. Yeah, so here goes the thing. So I have kept an extra key just to learn. That is the shift key, which makes the player run faster. So now you can see the speed. Now see the speed. This is when I pressed the shift key. Okay. So let's go back a little bit and pick up that food box first. I'm not able to pick it up. This is a glitch. I should have. Yup. So I'm able to pick it up, and now I can just be fast. I can just press shift and be fast. Looks good. And yeah, finally I'm here, back on the castle, and when I enter this, I can see you won this jungle. The objective has been changed. Done, done, done. So here's the castle, and when we enter it, we just win the game. That's it. That's it about my game. So let's press escape and close the game. So this was about my game. In the next video I'll be updating about other projects, which are a lot. So a lot of coding projects I'm working on. So I'll just show them within a few days. And one more thing to update about, and that is Hacktoberfest is coming, and I'm eagerly waiting for it. I'll describe why in the next episode. So that's it for this one. Hope you liked my first creation.